Remember that futuristic face mask slash air purifier that LG introduced last year? You know, that white stormtrooper looking mask with air filters on? Well, there's a new variant to that, a follow-up variant, and we have it right here. LG introduced this actually in the Philippines just last month, I think, and it basically does the same thing. You know, it filters and purifies the air before you breathe it in, removing harmful particles in the process. This new model comes with improvements, of course, and we'll talk about those later on, but it comes with a brand new feature, and that is a mic and a speaker so that users can talk freely and more comfortable and converse with others easier. It's designed to eliminate that muffled voice you have when you speak and when you talk, which is not just in the first generation but with all masks in general, right? Our unit just took a little bit longer to arrive because there are two color options available. One is white and another is black. And we have the black one right here. And I actually posted about this last night and my friends were like, there's a black variant? Yes, there is a black variant. It's here and we're excited to check it out and also see how to set it up. Hey guys, Kevin here. You're with the Modern Creatures. Welcome to another video. This is our LG PuriCare Wearable Air Purifier with VoiceON unboxing and first impressions. Okay, so one thing that you might want to know about this package, about this box, is that it's an eco-friendly packaging. This means that it used recycled materials to make this, and it's also easily recyclable afterwards. So good job, LG, for doing your part in, you know, going for a greener environment. Let's now open the box and see what's inside. So, okay, as I said earlier, it comes with an eco-friendly packaging. The package is made from unbleached paper and recyclable materials. Thank you for joining our effort to save the earth. So that's really cool. Boxes are not glued for easier unboxing and recycling, and the plastic pack can be used as a stand while charging. So double use, easily recyclable. Good job, LG. So now remove this top part. And we're now introduced to the device itself, and it's wrapped in this cloth material. Again, as always, let's put this aside and let's dig through what's inside the box first. So I guess this is the stand that you can put the mask in while charging, and it even has this gap right here for the cable when you charge the device. Really thought out, really cool. Next, we have the parts, we have the components of the mask. First, we have the inner cover in a sealed Ziploc bag. We also have the face guard, and this one is large. There are two available sizes for the LG PuriCare. One is large and one is medium, so it's up to you to choose depending on your face size. Next, we have the owner's manual as well as the warranty card, so better keep those safe. And we also have this strap extender, which basically goes around your neck and the strap hooks to it. That way you don't have stress or you don't have strain on your ears all the time. The stress is transferred around the neck. So that could be useful. Put it right here first. And we also have the filters right here. There are two filters. I believe these are HEPA 13 filters that are also what you see in higher end air purifiers that you see at home. Next, we have a charging cable. It's a USB-C charger, it's a USB-C cable. And finally, we have this carrying pouch. This is where you put everything so that you keep them clean. When you need to transport the device, you have this little nice pouch right here. Now, as for the device itself, here it is. Let's check it out. So just slide it out like so. And there we go. I almost dropped it. But there we go. The black LG PuriCare Wearable Air Purifier with VoiceON. So it has the strap here that's adjustable. You have this adjustment right here. And the filters go here on both sides. There's this flap that opens. You put the filters there, put the thing here, you wear it, and the power button is on the bottom, as well as the USB-C charger. So that's everything inside the box. Let's now set this up. Before we start, it says that you have to charge the device first for about 2 hours. Make sure it's fully charged before you use it for the first time. Let me first disinfect my hands because you want the components to be clean when you use it. So let's go do that first. Here we go, we're now gonna set it up, and I already disinfected my hands to ensure that everything is clean. So the first thing we'll do is to put on the filters, and it will be through this compartment right here. Put this on first. 2 filters. Close it. There we go. Now that both filters are in, the next step is now to put the inner cover, which we have right here. Let's just open it in this sealed Ziploc bag. All right, so there's a lot, as you can see. There's a couple. There's a lot. So LG provides you with a couple of inner covers for replacement. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's more here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are like more or less 15 pieces of inner covers in this package. For now, we will just be using one, of course. So let's put the rest back in. Just keep it there. It also has this Ziploc seal, so you can keep it clean when it's not in use. So you see the LG PuriCare print right there, so that dictates that we would put it right here. And you have those small holes right there that match these things. So let's just slide it in there. Okay, and these things hold the inner cover in place. So all right, it stays in place, so that's a good thing. Next step now is to open this large face guard. Again, you can get this in medium, depending on the size of your face. LG advises to clean it first, maybe run water through it, or just simply wipe it down with alcohol. And that's what we're gonna do right now. Let's just quickly wipe this thing down with alcohol, because this will be the one in contact against your face. And you also have these metal strips right here, because this face guard attaches to this thing magnetically. Now let's put it on. So it should just stick, right? Yep. Basically attaches itself, easy peasy, no hassle, and it's on. It doesn't easily come off. There you go, it's now ready to use. We've put the filters on. We also have the inner cover there, and as well as the face guard right here. So it's ready to use. I've also powered it on, so let's try it out. Okay. Right now, the speaker is still off. That's why you get this muffled voice that we have right now. So this is my talking voice with the speaker turned off. Now let's turn it on, turn on the mic and the speaker. Okay, the 2 beeps means it's on. Now I have it activated. What do you think of the sound performance? What do you think of my voice quality? Do you hear that? So the fans are doing their thing when I inhale only. But yeah, the face guard is soft against my face, and I feel that it sealed my nose and as well as my mouth. Vika says it's clear and you could really hear what I'm saying. So you kind of sound like Darth Vader in this thing. There's that modulation. Like for comparison, this is with the speakers on, and this is with speakers off. Again, speakers off, speakers on, speakers off, speakers on. So do you see the difference? Okay, so I think I'm just having too much fun with this. So that's it. You've seen what it does, and you've seen it on someone. How does it look? Let us know in the comments below. Do I look funny? Do I look like Bane? Do I sound like Darth Vader? Let us know all that in the comments. I guess let's try the strap extender. Okay, I'll just... And... okay. So the straps still go around your ear, but the pressure has been lifted off, has been taken off by the band right here. So that's how it looks. It also feels more secure. Yeah, it doesn't come off. So it feels secure. It's really secure. And yeah, let me take this. So basically that wraps up our unboxing as well as our setup of the LG PuriCare Wearable Air Purifier. Now we'll be putting this to the test. I'll be putting this to the test. Actually, the rest of my day will be spent outdoors since we'll be moving condos. We'll be having a new setup, so guys, watch out for that. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. And if you really enjoy it, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon for notifications when we upload new videos. And as always, visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.